Since technology continues to grow as a priority and expectation in Baltimore County Public Schools, I wanted to create deliverables teachers could use immediately in the classroom, and some resources to help teachers integrate more technology into their lessons. I worked with the BCPS math office during my internship. I integrated technology into some current first grade math lessons. These lessons are created with the teachers at the Lighthouse schools in mind, who will be using the new device with their students this year for the first time. But other teachers can also use the majority of the ideas and resources. In this video, I am showing deliverables from the lesson from Unit 6, Day 15. The other lessons have similar components, as well as deliverables from Pixie and Powtoon. First shown is the lesson document. It is based on the original lesson, but also includes my changes and technology components. The lesson documents begin with an overview. Then the Common Core standards and standards for mathematical practice are identified, as well as the materials and the teachers and the students need. Lastly, the lesson is broken down by each activity found in the investigations guide. For each activity, I include some teacher notes, sample questions, and ways to observe students at work. The technology components are explained within this part of the document. For each of the lessons, I created a flip chart that the teacher can display on the Promethean board and use to help guide the discussions in the lessons. This flip chart begins with vocabulary activities about the words true and false. In the lesson, the students have to complete equations so that they are true. The flip chart has slides like this one that match the voice thread. The voice thread is also aligned with the students' assignment that they are to complete first. In the voice thread, students record their voice to say if an equation is true or false and why, as well as complete equations and share how they did it. After the students record and comment on each other's thoughts, they are prepared to discuss it in the whole group, using the flip chart as a resource. As the students are working, the teacher can use his or her tablet to record observations using a Google spreadsheet. Each lesson has a corresponding spreadsheet. This spreadsheet has 3 components the teacher is observing. Using Google spreadsheets is beneficial because the teacher's notes are automatically saved and available at school or at home for conferences and report card comments. These files are housed in Dropbox, so I included an explanation sheet so teachers knew what the documents were. Lastly, my mentor shared the evaluation tool the BCPS Math Office uses to critique a task submitted to their office. We added a technology component to it. Since the Google spreadsheets and voice threads are shared links, the teachers need to know how to make copies for themselves so they are not seeing another class or teacher's comments. Therefore, I created these instructions. At the beginning of this school year, I'm going to present these resources, as well as the what, why, and how of technology integration to the teachers of the Lighthouse schools. The teachers will also have time to create their own technology-enhanced lessons. Here are some of the slides from my Google presentation. I also created this document for teachers that lists a variety of technology they could integrate into their math lessons. Examples include digital cameras, Pixie, Audacity, Kidspiration, Voki, Wordle, Padlet, SchoolTube, KidLog, databases like BrainPop Jr., and various websites. Thank you for viewing my presentation of my internship experience.